I searched how to buy shares of WhiteFiber Inc. to show the process. WhiteFiber is a company involved in fiber optic infrastructure and related products, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WYFI. This walkthrough is educational only and not financial advice. Investing carries risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. You will need a brokerage account to buy WYFI, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker WYFI to find WhiteFiber Inc. Select the NASDAQ-listed result to ensure you have the correct company. On the asset page, you will see a concise company description and the price chart for WYFI. Confirm the company details and the NASDAQ listing to verify it is the right stock. To buy, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and then confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order will execute at the next market open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once the trade fills, your position will appear in your portfolio showing your WYFI holding. If you want to try the platform, the eToro link is available in the description below.